Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We all thank you for having subscribed to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. And once again, we thank you for your support, whatever you are showing in our product. That's our indicator. Okay, every day I'm starting with a demo. And even then, people are asking me, show me demo on live market, live market, live market. But if you see, our indicator setup is very, very simple. Nothing is difficult. Only these things we are having totally. Only this thing we have totally. Only this one, nothing else. So it is mainly showing here two parts. One is first buy and second sell. First we will buy here. If market is going there, we will book the profit. If it is not going there, we will sell here. First we will take buy. If it is not going into our in favor of us, then we will sell here. Then we will book the profit here and we will exit from the market. Now, if you have taken buy entry here, this will act as the stop loss. If you have taken sell entry here, this will act as the stop loss. And this will be our target and this will be our target. This is the logic. If you don't understand this logic that I have taken sell, but I want the stop loss separately, I cannot consider the re-entry as the stop loss. I'm confused in that. If you are such a person, then you can enable here. So first enable first buy, then enable first buy sell. Then second enable first sell, then enable first sell SL. Then enable second sell entry and target, then second buy SL. Second buy entry and targets, then second sell SL. So here also we have clearly mentioned SL for first buy is the entry price of the second sell. SL for first sell is the entry price of the second buy. SL for second buy is the entry price of the first sell, and SL for second sell is the entry price of the first buy. So four important things we have mentioned. If you understand to the system, it is very easy. So then you can avoid this four layer. Okay. Why we are no this? If we save these four lines of our programming code, then we can add something else to this. So if you understand only these 4 points, it will be very easy. So once SL hit, you will not be you don't have to go back to the internet indicator settings, then to enable the order. What you can do at the time of starting your trading itself, you can start these two as the pair and these two as the pair. If buy trigger, target hit, no problem. You can enjoy for the day, but it will not happen always. So you should be ready with the second sell also. Similarly, when first sell triggered and you have got the target, it is well and good, no problem. You can enjoy the day, but it is not always will not happen. So we have to be ready with the second buy also. So that is what we are telling. We should be ready with all the conditions of the market. So now this is our procedure. Once again, I repeat. Every day in the morning, 9:35, you have to go to indicator settings and select first buy and first sell. First buy and first sell. Okay. So this is our important thing. Otherwise, so what I will do to avoid the confusion. So I have made one simple indicator. Same, nothing is changed here, only for the simplification I have done. So here what we can do, go here, first buy and first sell, you have to enable. First buy and first sell, you have to enable in the morning. So I have not mentioned any target or stop loss. So here market has opened here and first it has reached the sell entry, not the buy entry. Buy entry missed at some points, 11 points, 27 made low. So 5 points we missed here. So, but we are telling 3 points you can keep the buffer entry, maximum 3 points. But if you are keeping 5 points, it is up to you. Okay, the high made was 4760 and our entry was 4761. By considering 3 points, we can consider that we have when the sell got triggered. So now we have to disable the sell buy entry. Okay, once sell activated, we have to disable the sell entry, then enable the target. First sell target and first buy, first sell target and first sell stop loss. Okay, these points we have to enable. So now what happened? First target done, given retracement, again almost second target done, almost second target done. So from 4760, we are giving 3 points buffer, which means 4758 will be your entry. So 4758 to 4706, 4688. So how many points? Here we have from 58 plus 12 points. 58 plus 12. So 60, 70 points we have got the profit in the sell entry if you have taken with the buy entry. And if you have taken with the 3 points buffer. Suppose you have not taken the buy and sell entry with the 3 points buffer, actually you have to take with the 3-point buffer only in such cases if you are not having the market movement. Okay. We have done with our almost care, but sometime 1 or 2 points may be missing. Okay. So now for those people who did not take the first sell entry, they would have taken the first buy entry. They would have taken the first buy entry. So now I have to enable all these things. First buy entry and first buy stop loss. So now for them, now they will be in buy mode from here and they got some profit, then it has fallen. See here, 4688, but our stop loss was 4684. So 4 points we save, the market has saved us in 4 points of SL. Then you see there is a first target, second target, and before market closes, this is the first target, this is the second target. Before market closed, we have got 2 targets achieved, and high made was 4809 from 4722. So some 78 plus 6, 84 points we have got the profit in the buy entry. So in sell entry with buffer, we have got 70 points profit. In buy entry without buffer, but stop loss is safe, we got 84 points profit. Now, whichever you want to take, you can take, but this is the procedure. So you have to take with the 3 points buffer if market is not moving. So here you will be identifying, here it came here, not reach the exact sell entry. So immediately the next level high, whatever is the high of this candle, you can take. Or close of the previous green candle, you can take the sell entry. So this is how this works. And next one, what we have, it is the Bank Nifty. So yesterday, what happened in the Bank Nifty? Let us see. So Bank Nifty buy not activated, buy entry is here. So now let us enable the first sell and see the targets of the first sell targets and first sell stop loss. See, if you see closely, you will understand. Yesterday, what happened to the market? Sell activated. Here, sell exactly activated and it has given the low. Some 129 points we have got the profit. Okay, 129 means 3000 plus profit we got immediately after the entry. What we are telling, after 50 points or 100 points in the Bank Nifty, we have to keep revising the stop loss. After 50, revise stop loss to cost. After 100, revise stop loss to 50 points profit. If you have done it, then there is no risk for you. Because this candle you can see, okay, just you can make it to 3 minutes also. You can see the force of the candle. Okay, if you are a price action trader, you can see the force of the candle. It has broken the candle with a high volume, and after that, this candle low is not broken. See here, this candle low broken only here. This candle low is not broken. So you have to see how to understand if you are a price action trader. So now there is a bullish in control. Even if we don't do all this analysis, what happened? We will be in loss. Yesterday we also in loss. Then see here, the stop loss was safe here just for 8, just by 8 points, just by 8 points. Then after that came down, it reached almost our target. It gave 229 points something. The low made was 32,700 from 33,029 points. So the low made was, yeah, yesterday Bank Nifty we got 209 points. How many points we got? So already I have done calculation, because no, if I calculate while recording the video, the video will become very longer. That's why I have calculated. So yesterday we got the profit in crude oil 8,100 rupees total move. But if we consider only the first entry, we got some 7,800 rupees profit. Okay. How many points I said? 7,800. From 4758 to 4788. Okay, I will consider this 7884 points. Okay, 47. I will show you in front of you how I am calculating. 4758 minus 4688. So this minus this equal to 70 points. So I will consider 70 also, no issue. 77,000 profit we have got. And buy entry you would have taken, if you have taken buy entry, then that will be 8,400 rupees profit yesterday. So now whether you have taken with buffer or without buffer. So with buffer 7,000 profit, without buffer if you are waiting for the exact entry, then 8,400 rupees profit. So it is up to you. So both calculations are in front of you. So just 600 rupees in difference, then there is no issue. Then yesterday NG what happened? See here NG. Again I have to enable first by targets and first by stop loss. So now everything is in front of us. See here what happened. Now first sell activated, because sell entry is first sell is not activated, first buy got activated, and after buy activated it has given 1 point, then there is a retracement, then our SL was safe here, then it has started climbing up. So there is a W pattern. See here is a confirmation. You can go for again trade W pattern. W pattern is breaking here at the place of a buy entry, and buy target done, first target, second target, and third target almost done. So how many points got we yesterday? Yesterday we got the profit of in natural gas 5,825 rupees. 5,825 rupees yesterday we got the profit. So yesterday we got profit in Bank Nifty and crude oil and natural gas. So in Bank Nifty 209 points we have got the profit, but I have considered for only 200 points. Even if you have taken 200 points profit, then you are in profit of 5,000 rupees. So similarly, previous day 10th May also we got the profit in crude oil 7,800 rupees. If you want me to show that also I will show you. Previous day sell got activated, so we have to enable first sell targets and first sell stop loss. So yesterday what happened? Previous day I'm telling. See here, sell activated here, then it gives movement, then first target and second target and third target almost done. Third target, half of the third target done. So I have calculated up to the second target only. So second target only I have calculated. That's why the profit comes to 7,800, but total move was 95 points. 9,500 was the total move. See here, I have mentioned here. So even if you booked at only as the target itself, then you are in a profit of 7,800 rupees. So totally And Bank Nifty, the day before yesterday, we had no entry, no buy entry, no sell entry. And natural gas, we got 6,125 rupees profit. So totally on 10th May, we got 13,925. On 11th May, we got 19,275. And the total profit is 33,200 rupees. Only in Bank Nifty, 5,000 rupees. Only in natural gas, 12,000 rupees. Only in crude oil, we got 16,200 rupees. 16,200 rupees. And total profit only for 2 days is 13,200 rupees profit. So hope it is clear. And previous week also we were in profit. See here, previous week, one day we got loss of 11,800 rupees losses. One day we got, but overall we got a profit of 1 lakh 5,000 rupees per week. For 5 days we got 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. And if you calculate an average per day, it comes to 26,250 rupees. So totally 1 lakh 5,000 plus 33,000. So 1,38,700 rupees profit, 1,38,200 rupees profit we got only in 7 days. Only in 7 days of trading. So this is our trading methodology. So we will not be worrying about the market condition. Whatever comes here, see here, whether buy activated, sell activated, we have to trade. That's all. If buy activated, go for buy entry targets. If sell activated, go for sell entry targets with the SL. If SL get, go for reverse entry with a double lot. Book the profit and exit. If you don't get exact entry, then you can risk 300 rupees extra. Okay. If you want to risk more than 500 rupees also, you can risk, that is up to you, but we are giving 300 rupees extra risk. And that also can be identified here. So just enable first buy, first sell, second buy, and second everything. Okay. And see here, yesterday scenario I'm telling. So our sell entry is at 61, but there is a 4760, another support. So high mid was 60 only. So at 60 also you can place the order. So 1 point only, you will not get 100 rupees only. So you can book some extra profit. Instead of booking at 22, instead of booking at first target 22, you keep the target 21 or 20. So you will get good profit. So this is what I'm telling. So you enable all the 4 lines and just disable this label, and you can use them as the support and resistance. It will work as a very good support and resistance. And yesterday there was another miracle happened. We gave in the Telegram channel that once targets are done in the sell entry, we give buy entry immediately. How we get the buy entry? There is another technique that we teach for everyone. The technique is very simple. First buy, first tar. Okay, and now no, it's getting time. I will close the video right now. One more video I will release on the technique. Then you can actually, the technique was the entry price we got at 4688 exactly. We booked 3 targets. Again, we gave sell entry at 4795. Then it has given 2 targets of profit. So yesterday you can check our Telegram channel. You can join for free. Even in this video description also we have given the Telegram channel. You all please join and encourage all your friends to join. Okay, once again, thank you all for watching the video. Please share this video to everyone, whoever is in loss and whoever wants to make profit out of this market with following a disciplined strategy. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day.